In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot to import your customer lists, track daily activity, manage deals, install email tracking, and stay on top of your tasks. If you're getting started with HubSpot, this workflow helps you organize your contacts, keep a record of every important interaction, and make sure nothing falls through the cracks during your sales process. The goal is to build good habits early so your CRM stays clean, useful, and easy to trust. Start by importing your current customer spreadsheet into HubSpot contacts. If your data is stored in Excel or CSV format, make sure the file is organized clearly before bringing it in. Clean column headers and consistent formatting will make the import process smoother and reduce the chance of mismatched fields. Once you begin the import, HubSpot will guide you through mapping the information in your spreadsheet to the correct contact properties. Take your time here, because accurate mapping is what ensures names, companies, phone details, and other key records end up in the right place. After your contacts are in the system, make it a daily habit to log your business interactions. Whenever you speak with someone, send a message, or hold a discussion, use the options to log a call, log an email, or log a meeting. This creates a timeline of communication for each contact, which makes it much easier to understand the relationship history at a glance. It also helps your team stay aligned, especially if multiple people are involved in the same account. As conversations progress and opportunities develop, use the deal pipeline board to move prospective sales forward. The visual drag and drop layout makes it easy to see where each deal stands in your process. As a deal advances from one stage to the next, simply move it across the board. This gives you a quick snapshot of your pipeline and helps you identify which opportunities are active, which ones are stalled, and where follow-up may be needed. To make communication tracking even easier, install the Chrome extension Tracking Pixel. Once it's set up, outgoing email conversations can be automatically recorded, helping you capture activity without relying on manual entry every time. This is especially useful if a large part of your day happens in email, and you want your CRM to stay updated in the background. Finally, review your main dashboard homepage every day. This should become your starting point each morning. Your dashboard helps you see assigned tasks, pending follow-ups, and other important priorities in one place. By checking it daily, you can stay organized, respond on time, and keep your sales activity moving consistently. When you follow these steps regularly, HubSpot becomes more than a database. It becomes a reliable system for managing your